How to enable customers to check out with a phone number in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that and give them this option so they can actually feel free to check out with their phone number. So all you need to do really is just go to your Shopify admin, go to the main dashboard and click on settings from the bottom left corner. From here, you just want to click on checkout. This is going to be the section where we want to set things up. And make sure that you have set up the customer contact method to be phone number or email. If it's set as email only, this is not going to allow them to add their phone number or contact or check out with their phone number. So we just want to ensure that this is going to be selected, phone number or email. And then also we want to scroll down until we find customer information. And in here, we're going to be able to find shipping address, phone number. All we need to do is just go ahead and click on the option next to it, which is don't include by default, and you can just make it required, and we can just click on save. And this basically just changes everything, so now they can actually contact us or check out with their phone numbers. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.